is not right today. Stop, stop is what we say when it's too loud, too fast, too much. When I don't wanna hug or touch. Stop, stop, I say it clear. Stop, stop, so everyone can hear. Stop, stop, hand up high. Reach your palm up to the sky. Stop, stop, say it strong. STOP, stop means stop all along. Stop, stop, loud and clear. Make sure everyone can hear. Stop, stop, you're in charge. Your voice is mighty, brave and large. Stop the noise and stop the rush. Stop when things become too much. Stop, stop, it's okay. Stop is something good to say. Teachers listen, parents too. Stop means stop, they'll hear you. Stop.